Hello, to fix your camera not recording problem on your Tapo C120, first of all, we have to go into our camera, we have to select our device and go into the camera settings. And now we have to make sure, we have to go into storage and recording and local storage. And right here we have to make sure that our SD card is formatted. As you can see, I see my storage on my card and it is good to go. But if your SD card is not formatted, you will be notified and you will see that the SD card needs to be formatted, and probably there will be a notification to initialize your SD card. As you do it, the card is good to go, good to record. So when you have your SD card formatted, then make sure that you have turned on the local recording, which basically means that the camera will save all the recordings on your local storage. Also, make sure that you go into a also make sure to go into recording schedule and change the detection recording to continuous recording, because as you have the detection recording, that basically means that the camera, when it detects various events which you have enabled right here in the detection options, when it detects these various events, it will record only then. But if you want to record continuously, you have to go into the actually storage and recording right here, go into recording schedule and press edit, select all and select continuous recording right here and press OK. Now you have to accept the changes, and right now your camera should record all the time. There should be no problems with your recordings, so basically that's how you fix the problem. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.